Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am super excited to share with you a secret that I have been doing for my eyes and my eye makeup, and I'm going to be using two Benefit Cosmetic products that I've been using on the daily. So as you can see, my eyes are bare except for I do have eyebrow makeup on. I'm going to set it with the Benefit Cosmetics Fluff Up Brow Flexible Brow Texturizing Wax. And what this is a clear, crunch-free, creamy flex wax that creates fluffy, full, and natural-looking brows and lasts for up to 12 hours. Now, as you can see in this video, I'm also applying that same product to my bare lashes, which I will explain to you why I'm doing this. I did see in a video that someone was using wax on their lashes, so I decided I'm going to use the Benefit Fluff Up Brow Wax and see what happens. And I never looked back since. I've been doing this ever since I got this product. But what it does is it holds a curl after you curl your lashes with a eyelash curler, which I just feel like is so comfortable. It looks amazing. And I was just so in shock when I found out this little hack. So I do have another video where I will be using the Fluff Up Brow Wax before I apply the eyebrow makeup. But in this video, it's all about the lashes and my little hack that I'm sharing with you guys. But if you are Asian, then you do know we have it down bad with our lashes. It is so hard to keep our natural lashes curled, to keep them even existent. We need so much help in this department. And I'm going to use for my second product the Benefit Cosmetics BADgal Bang Volumizing Mascara. And this is a pitch black shade, so I think it is so nice. Not only is it volumizing, it's waterproof, so that helps a lot. This is going to accentuate that Fluff Up Brow Wax and just kind of complement it, and I think that the pair goes so well. I am so happy that I found this kind of hack and this combo together. As you can see, it looks like I actually have lashes, which is crazy. I always wear false lashes, but if I were to ever just go bare, this is what I would do. What do you guys think? This is the end product with the Fluff Up Brow Wax and the BADgal Bang Volumizing Waterproof Mascara. I think it is so nice to have some kind of products that help in this department, especially with my short little lashes that don't exist. So if you see this video, I hope that you try it out for yourself. I also want to mention that the BADgal Bang retails for $28. The Fluff Up Brow Wax retails for $26, but that was my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helped you out in any way that it could. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, check out my other playlists, and I will see you guys all next time in my next one. Bye, guys.